First day of work, I'm nervous. I wake up, but it's already too late. First week of work, I'm just like, how can you call this job? It's always the same. Hey you, did you hear my routine? You didn't trust you have ended up this way. Watch you play up a play with my shining all day. Wallcrush all the place on this place. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? I want something to change, but nothing good is changing. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? I don't know if someone has to bribe this ball. I know that it beats my pulse. Whoa. My neurons are killing each other, but I still not breathe any gas. My brain rebounds in the stalk up, and I'm feeling like a useless, forgotten mess. I know I was made for more. This can be jumping through the monkeys in jungle. My boss says I must be happy to work, but it's so fun, awful, smelly and that's all. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? I want to flip a change, but nothing good is changing. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? I don't know if someone has to bribe this ball. I know that it beats my pulse. Whoa. I would like to beat my pulse.